So my name is Chapo Castillo. I'm the owner broker of Pioneer One Realty, nothing but property management. So you may think, well, why would I use Pioneer One Realty to manage my properties? Well, the first thing is that I have 31 years of experience in the property management business. And with that experience, I've learned a lot of things throughout the years. One of the things that I've learned that is very paramount is that I must focus on customer service. That's what we do. I always like to share an example of this. You know, my company, we don't build chairs, right? And sell them. And then my customers buy the chairs and they rate my company based on the quality of the chairs. That's not what I do. I don't build anything tangible. The only thing I offer is a service. So I must offer the best service I possibly can, because that's how my customers rate me. That's how they will refer me to other friends and colleagues that they may have, and I grow my business. Now, with that being said, one of the things that I really appreciate about my company is I am part of an organization called NARPM, which is the National Association of Residential Property Managers. This is a national organization. We have 2 annual conferences a year, and all we do is learn about property management, learn about the best policies and the best practices in our business. We collaborate with other property management companies throughout the United States, and we have classes that we have to take to educate ourselves. So if any property management company is serious about their profession, they need to be a part of NARPM. I mean, there's just no excuse. It's nothing but benefits to be part of NARPM. I had the privilege of last year being the Dallas president of NARPM, and I really enjoyed that privilege. I made a lot of contacts, I made a lot of friends, I've learned more, but having the experience of 31 years, that's helped me to learn my market. So I know that Dallas-Fort Worth area very well. I know all the individual little pockets, you know, the new areas that are growing, the new communities that are being built. I mean, doing this for 31 years, yes, I have extensive experience in the area. I also have a lot of technology that I'm very proud of that I've been building over the years. Just to give you a quick example of the technology, today, potential tenants, they're just surfing online and they're looking at this house, and they click, you know, I'm interested in this one. Then we get an email saying that they're interested. Okay, for the technology that I have, if they're clicking on this at 10 o'clock at night, that email is going to come to my software. My software is automatically going to send them a text message and an email back, letting them know, thank you for having interest in this property. These are requirements that we have to list this property out, you know, and then they'll get a follow-up email saying, if you want to schedule a tour, please click on this link. That could happen at 10 at night. It could happen at 7 in the morning. You know, it's an automated system. And then we start coming in afterwards manually to handle it. So we handle everything from A to B, from finding the tenant, securing the tenant, vetting the tenant, doing annual inspections. If unfortunate things happen and we have to do an eviction, I'm very well versed with the local JP courts and doing an eviction. I handle all of this stuff. So again, we here at my company are focused on service. You have easy access to me. You can call me on my cell phone. I'll pick up. If you want to talk about your portfolio, you want to talk about anything, invoices that you want some clarification on, I do have a staff here, staff of 5. But again, you can call me at any time. You know, I pick up at 6, I pick up at 7. We're very accessible, but again, we focus on property management. That is all I do, and I would definitely take care of your property.